Hey guys, it's Jasmine. I am back with another video. This video is going to kind of be like a part 2 to my wig one-on-one webinar. I did a poll on my Instagram a couple days ago asking my followers if they would like to see a full video from beginning to end on how you can install your JazzBeautyBar custom-made wig unit. So that's what this video is going to be going over today. Beginning to end, I'm going to show you guys everything that I do, what I encourage you to do if you're installing the unit yourself, or what your stylist should be doing. Everything that's going to be shown in the video is very simple and self-explanatory, but I know that I have some potential clients that would love for this video to be of reference when they purchase their unit and get their unit in the mail. So that's why I'm going to be doing this video today. I do want to say thank you to everyone that joined in live for the Wig One-on-One webinar. I got some really good feedback, so I plan to do more webinars in the future. I will be taking polls about what topics you guys want to go over. But thank you to everyone that participated, whether you watched it live during the day that I did it or you watched the replay. So thank you again. So as I mentioned, in this video, it's going to be a how-to from beginning to end on how to install your JazzBeautyBar custom-made wig unit. So the unit that I'm going to be installing today is one of my really good old faithful units. It's my girl. She don't even have a name, but this is look, we like this. We married. I've had this unit almost a year now. Same good quality as it was when I first created this unit. This is a body wave, Brazilian body wave. This hair has been through a lot, and it still looks good, so that's why she's my old faithful. I did replace the closure on this unit mainly because I wanted to record this video without creating a whole new unit. So I was like, what better way than to put a new closure on Old Faithful and call it a day. So that's what I did. Let's get right into it. So first thing first, one thing that I went over in the Wig One-on-One webinar is about the braiding pattern. So I already have my hair braided down because it's going to be a middle part. My braids are not small. They're good medium size. They can be smaller, but this is just what I chose to do. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm using some Got To Be, and I'm gonna use this on my edges. Can lay your edges down with any type of edge control. I'm only using this because I left my good edge control at my salon, and this is what I have at the house, so that's why I'm using this. I know you girls know that you can use the Got To Be as an adhesive to hold down your unit. I'm not really going to be doing that today, but you can do that. I'm just using this as an edge tamer. And I like it because it really does hold my edges. I don't experience any breakage, any edges lost, none of that with the Got To Be. It's really, it really holds my edges in, and it's, I can remove it really easily with shampoo and water. So I always encourage you girls to wear a wig cap. I have started including these in all of the wig orders so that you don't have to go to the beauty supply store to get you one. So I have started using some new wig caps. The wig caps that I'm using now, they're weightless, they're breathable, and they're easy for you to get through and scratch your scalp if you're having any irritation. What I love about these wig caps is that they come with adjustable bands already. So you have the ability to tighten your wig or loosen your wig of your, you know, at your convenience, whatever works for you. Now, I have had some wig customers ask for the additional elastic bands to be on these units. That's fine. If you want the additional elastic band, you can get that in your order. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip mine to the middle, which is going to make it tight for me. I always recommend slipping the wig from the nape to the back. I want to also mention that another reason why I love this cap is because it really fits well around the ears, unlike the caps that I was using at first. So even if I wanted to kind of like pull this back, you really don't see any tracks here. So I can still kind of pull this back in a ponytail. I do have a 5x5 closure on this unit, which is, it gives me a really, really good amount of parting space to do a lot with. So, okay. So after you've put your wig on, y'all can't tell me this don't look good. I can just really wear this like this and cute. Okay, so this is probably the most important part of this video. I get a lot of questions about the lace. How much lace do I cut off? How much do I keep? So I'm going to show you girls. I have some baby hair on this unit. So I'm going to just use some clips to clip that back. So I'm going to pin, I think these little pieces are under this closure or something. Because it's, yeah, it has to be somewhere up under there. So I'm just trying to make sure that all the little hair is back. Okay, let's speed up a little bit. Okay, so this closure has been plucked just a little bit around the hairline, if you can see that. Alright, so common mistake that what people do when they get this wig or a closure wig in general, they do this right here. They tuck the lace. This is a no. You do not want to you don't want to tuck your lace whatsoever. Let me turn this music down just a little bit. So this is a no. Please never tuck your lace. Never tuck your lace. Never do that. It's lace. You can cut it. It is meant to be cut. So never tuck your lace. You want to give the illusion of the closure growing from your actual scalp, and tucking it under is not the illusion that you should be going for. Okay, these flyaways is bothering me. Okay. So what you want to do, alright, what you want to do, you want to cut this lace not really, really close to this hairline. You want to leave like a centimeter of lace. You want to leave just like a tip of the lace. And that's because if you're doing baby hair, then your baby hair would kind of cover that. But you also want to be able to have you know, if you're going to use adhesive, you can use that part of the lace to lay down the adhesive. I don't recommend you cutting it directly here. Just a centimeter. Leave a centimeter left. So I'm actually going to take this off and cut it. Okay. So I cut the lace. And can you guys see it? This is like just how much is left on the lace. It's not a lot, but it's a good centimeter. Like I didn't cut it back here on this. I left a little bit of the lace out. Okay. So I'm going to put this back on. My lace is cut. Now, I do have some baby hair on this unit. I'm debating if I want to do baby hair or not. I'm not really a huge fan. Take it back. So if you're gonna do baby hair, the best way to kind of lay it down is with some like styling lotion. And I shouldn't have done this because I do have some makeup on. Really do know. I don't really do know baby hair. Not on all my units, you know, like some of them, but not all of them. Not all of them. Just do that. Okay, so I just used some setting lotion to put these baby hairs down. You can also use this Got To Be if you want to, but since this is a late video, I'm not going to use the Got To Be because after I'm done recording, I am going to be taking this unit off. So, what I am going to do, I left my strips at the salon, but you can take a scarf. What you can do to get your baby hairs to get your baby hair to lay down flats. You can take you a scarf or something and put it on. If you have a scarf, you can take a scarf or anything that's flat, headband, scarf, and you could just tie it down for a moment. I am struggling to tie this without getting these bundles in the tie. Okay, I'm almost there. Almost. Alright. I think I'm there. Okay. So, I look like I'm about to go do a gangbang. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through and put some curls in this unit. So I just want to do a quick recap. So when you first get your unit, you're going to do your braiding pattern according to where your unit is parted. Next, you're going to smooth down your edges, as I did. And then you're going to apply your unit from the nape to the front, or you're going to slip your head into your unit. And then we're going to cut the lace. A centimeter of your lace left so that it can just press down into your flesh and it looks like it's coming from your skin. Because if you think about a hairline, like your hairline goes from transparent to like full. So when you pluck your lace, and by the way, all of my units now are coming slightly pre-plucked, and when you get it, you can pluck it some more if you choose to. But when I slightly pluck my lace, what I've learned is that it gives that transparent, like a natural hairline. So leaving a centimeter of lace on, when it goes onto your hairline, it just looks really, really smooth. It looks really smooth. So next we're gonna go ahead. Oh, you do your baby hair. You smooth your baby hair down with the Got2b, or you can just use some regular setting lotion and water, smooth it down. You could do as much as you want to. I only did those two in the front, but if I wanted to, you know, have some S curls all through here, I could, but I'm not going to do all that tonight. So next, I'm just going to go through and put some light curls in here. I'm using a heat protector. Oh, this still got the price on it. But this is the heat protector I'm using. Got this from Malika Beauty Supply Store. Okay, so I'm not going to do too much on the curls because it's late. Like I said, I'm not So I'm actually going to go ahead and brush my curls out before I take this off. One thing I did not do, I didn't pluck my part in the beginning, like when I was, so I'm just kind of go through and lightly pluck my part. Definitely don't want to over pluck. And because this is on my head, I'm going to not over pluck. Lastly, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, just a little bit, and this is what I'm using. The top came off. Y'all can't see it. Okay, this is what I'm using. RC by Kiss. Got it from my local hair store. Look, I'm just bam, like a hint, and I think that's too much. Then what you want to do is you want to take your brush and you want to lightly press on your part. Alright, so I am done installing this unit. Hope you guys like the finished look of this unit. I think I'm kind of feeling the baby hairs just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope I've answered all of your questions on how to install your Jazz Beauty Bar custom made wig unit. If you still have any questions or concerns, please email me. Please do not DM me or ask your questions under my Instagram. All correspondence will be through email only. So please email me at service@jazzbeautybar.com if you have any questions or concerns. If you're interested in purchasing a custom made wig unit, head over to www.jazzbeautybar.com, click on shop. drop down to premium custom wig units and you can place your order there. Lastly, I would highly suggest that you subscribe to our website so that you can be the first to get any type of information when we're having a sale, when we're putting new videos out, or anything that's pertaining to Jazz Beauty Bar. So be sure that you subscribe to the website. Thumbs up this video if you felt that it was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.